In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Etsy order confirmation message. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Etsy account and what to include so every buyer receives a clear, friendly note right after they purchase. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to land on the site, then sign in to your shop. Make sure you're using your seller login and keep your credentials secure. Once you're in, open the Your Account menu at the top. From there, visit Account Settings. While general preferences live here, your order confirmation message is managed in your shop dashboard. So next, head into Shop Manager, which is your seller workspace. Inside Shop Manager, choose Settings, and then click Info and Appearance. This is where you control the branding elements of your storefront, and importantly, the messages that go out to customers. Scroll down until you see two fields: Message to Buyers, and right below it, Message to Buyers for digital items. The first message is shown to all customers after checkout, while the digital items message appears specifically for customers who purchase instant downloads or other digital files. Keeping both up to date helps set expectations and reduces follow-up questions. Click into the text box and type your new message. Keep the tone warm, concise, and on brand. A simple thank you at the top goes a long way. You can include your typical processing and shipping time, how you'll communicate about their order, and any key policies that matter right after purchase, like exchanges or made-to-order timelines. If you offer a special deal, you can add a short note about it. For digital items, add clear guidance on where to find and download files on Etsy, and mention any common tips, such as checking the Purchases and Reviews section, along with what to do if they need help. Avoid including sensitive personal details or external contact information. Direct buyers to message you through Etsy if they have questions. When you're happy with the wording, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your updated message will be applied to future orders right away. If you ever need to adjust tone, update processing times, or refresh a seasonal note, come back to the same place and edit the text again. That's it. Open Etsy, log in, go to your account, then Account Settings, move into Shop Manager, choose Settings, Info and Appearance. Edit your message to buyers and your digital message, and save. Clear, consistent communication starts here and helps every order begin on the right foot.